they stop, I will ask for raving, but they go. Hello everybody, it's me, Asawang Filipina, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm driving here in the city because I was inquiring for the gate for my garage, the roofing of my garage. So for today, we're using this sandal. So this is what I use today with the anklet. I have it now. With the anklet, I have it now. Not yours there. So for now, we're gonna drive. Since I'm done with my duty here in the city, so I'm gonna drive back to the mountain before it rains because it's cloudy and then it's kind of rainy today. Rainy, not rainy yet, but it's a rainy season this month. So okay, let's go. Drive with me. We're approaching mountain driving today, and now it's raining, so we're gonna press the gas pedal, and all is good today. And well, honestly, let's drive slow this time because it's raining and it's not safe to drive so fast. So I hope the mount I put here is working good. So in this area we have to slow down because there's a stripe in the road, so I don't want that my camera well off. So finally I'm home early. But yeah, I come here because I'm excited for the gate. Oh my gosh, this is the true success of my channel. And enjoying what you want to do because I'm enjoying what I do. It's raining hard. Well, everybody, thank you all for watching my video. Thank you, members, for being there and keep supporting my channel, and also my sponsors to my shoes, my cars. I have a sponsor that are very supportive too. And if you want to request some videos, you can just comment down below. If I can do it, then I will do it, like barefoot driving. But those requests that are expensive requests that I have to spend my own money for it, like for example the raving engine or renting a car or manual car, so I cannot do that because I have to spend a lot of money and I don't have that money. So first I need your support, and if you want to support or furthermore to my channel, you can also go to the description down below in my videos, and then of course there's a PayPal account there. Any amount would help to continue driving so that I can go on for driving. I need gas, I need well, I have stuff for my cars already. It's being sponsored also. Thank you so much. I cannot do the driving without you guys, those who support my channel. I cannot do furthermore for driving videos because it's quite expensive to drive, because of course you need a car. If you don't have a car, you can rent a car, but you pay about, depends for the car, but you can pay about 2,500 to 4,000 pesos a day. So since I have a car, I only need cash for my gasoline and for my food when I go out. So you guys can donate any amount there in my description to my PayPal account. But anyway, you can also click the super thanks in my channel next to the share button in my videos. Click super thanks, and also you can just send any amount there, or else don't send any amount if you don't have money. Just keep on watching my videos, and thank you all for watching. Bye.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.